These codes represent the linked list example. But by the way, what is a linked list? Linked list is a data structure consisting of a group of nodes which together represent a sequence. And the first process, you're gonna import java.util.linked-list. And the second one, you're gonna type the class example simple linked list example. And the third one, don't forget to type the public static void main. In this codes, linked list slinks that new linked list represents the link object. After we do the linked list object, we're gonna do a element to the linked list. For example, as the name of the object, that add close open one. But before that, we're gonna put the label here. Create linked list. I'm sorry. Over there. And then you're going to copy this, but don't forget to put semicolon. It's just a 5 example of elements and linked list. 4, 5. And then don't forget to put number 2, 3, 4, 5. And after that, we're gonna input the system.out.print line. Inside the parentheses, you have we're going to type a link list contains this will become a slex the object and put it there. And that is the example of a linked list. Thank you for listening and God bless.